Hi, may I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore?
My name is Sudarshan. I'm staying in Chelkere Main Road, and it's nearby. It's like within 3 kilometers range. And she is my wife, Meenakshi, Dr. Meenakshi. And it's like we are very much comfortable, and we are staying in the apartments kind of things in nearby locality. Yeah.
How old is your child?
He's 3 years old. So we just celebrated yesterday 3 years. So we came here and celebrated with kids also. Chocolate, we distributed chocolates and all, and cakes and all.
What were you looking for him?
I'm looking home for him actually for smartness. He can recognize the new objects and new things, like new activities. He can interact with different kids and all. So it's like more of interactive sessions, and he's very shy nature. So I want him to interact with different people, stranger people, and he just tell names and more rhymes and more talk to anybody.
Okay. Which other play schools did you consider?
We consider actually Kids also, Euro Kids also, and Bright Kids also, right? So we a lot of things a lot of play schools actually we considered, but again we finally got it this E International the Spectrum Kids. So uh, and we came here, and Malti madam, she showed us about the schools, about the interactivities, about the infrastructures kind of thing. So we out of them actually this was the good option for us. So
Which one did you finally choose and why?
uh, we chosen a Spectrum ET International School because due to infrastructure, due to teachers, and due to Malti madam showed she and actually explained more about the process, how they follow the process and all, for the play groups, for the nursery, for the LKG, UKG. So we were very impressed actually about the infrastructure, school process.
We got the good environment for our kids.
Yeah.
Okay. How has your experience been with Spectrum Kid International?
Uh, it was very good actually, and we did not expect that he is more interactive in terms of telling the rhymes, talking to new strangers. So overall, it's very good actually.
Okay. Anything that could be better?
Yeah, means more like swimmings and all more activities can be happened actually, like plays. For example, group of kids are there, so they can play outside also in the lawn, or more activities actually I'm looking for.
And his stage performance.
Yeah, stage performance, sports kind of thing. So that's what actually we are looking for.
Okay. Based on your experience, tell me two best things about Spectrum Kid International.
The two things, there are a lot of things actually, but the main two things are like infrastructure and the teaching. These two factors are. The others are like process, how they follow the process. Cleaning, that's good thing, and most of like design inside interiors, that is also good. So lawn, the play area, that is very good actually.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Spectrum Kid International to other parents?
It's like I can give 5 out of 5. So it's like very good actually. I'm looking for. So if I want to refer with my friends, so I refer this school only, because of lot of things actually happens here, and they follow the process. They take care of the kids. They take care of the feeding the food and all. They take care of recognize the things, new objects. So that is very good for a play group. At least I can say that about the experience.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.